I forgot my tools again, Mike snapped. And just like that, the robot brought them over. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's happening today. The robots are in the factory, but will they be our allies working alongside us or our replacements, pushing us out of the workforce? Picture this. Have you ever tried so hard at your job, perfecting every task, only to feel like it's still not enough? Imagine walking into work at the factory one day, thinking you've finally mastered it all, only to find your replacement is not another human, but a robot. A machine that doesn't get tired, doesn't take breaks, and doesn't need your years of experience. It's happening to factory workers all over the world. But here is the question. Can factory workers compete with tireless machines, or are they fighting a losing battle? Is AI the job-destroying force it seems? Or could it unlock new, unexpected opportunities for factory workers? Hold on, and let's find out. I know that this may sound exaggerated, right? But trust me, the numbers don't lie. AI is not a distant threat. It's here, and it's moving faster than you think. In 2023 alone, major corporations like BT and IBM laid off workers because AI took over key roles. But what does this mean for you? Is your job safe, or are you just waiting to be replaced? Think of artificial intelligence like an invisible storm. Silent but devastating. You don't see it coming, but it's uprooting entire industries. According to recent estimates, AI is on track to automate a large portion of factory and logistics roles. Oxford Economics predicts that by 2030, up to 20 million manufacturing jobs could be replaced by AI technologies like robots. MIT and Boston University forecast that by 2025, 2 million workers in manufacturing could be displaced, especially in roles like forklift operators and sorting personnel. These changes are driven by the pursuit of efficiency and cost-cutting, leaving many workers vulnerable to job loss as automation becomes more prevalent. Factory jobs, once considered stable careers, are disappearing at an alarming rate. According to a Goldman Sachs report, 75 million jobs could vanish by 2030 due to AI. And these aren't just low-skill jobs. Skilled technicians are being replaced too, so if they can be replaced, why not you? Now picture yourself in a chess game, but your opponent isn't human. It's a machine that can think 10 moves ahead. Boston Dynamics has created robots that lift heavy loads, inspect dangerous environments, and work without rest. Fanuc robots used at Tesla and Toyota never sleep and never tire. And that's not all. Elon Musk has announced the launch of the Optimus 2 robot in 2025, with plans to deploy 1 billion units into the global workforce. The impending introduction of this massive number of robots raises the critical question: will it significantly impact and disrupt jobs in factory environments? The potential scale of this release suggests a dramatic shift in the labor market, especially for roles in manufacturing. While the full impact remains to be seen, the future of factory work could change drastically. Can you really compete with that? Let's talk about John, a 45-year-old factory worker from Indiana. He thought his 20-year career was safe. After all, his job required human judgment, right? But one day, automation swept through his department, replacing everything he thought was irreplaceable. Now he's left wondering, could I have done something to protect my job? Could this happen to you? Are you sure your role can't be automated? Here's where things get tricky. Experts predict that by 2030, over 40% of jobs in sectors like manufacturing, logistics, and transportation could be replaced by AI. But here's the twist. While AI is taking jobs, it's also creating new ones. There will be net job gains in fields like AI ethics, robotics programming, and data analysis. All hope isn't lost after all. There's a silver lining. The World Economic Forum projects a 40% increase in demand for AI and machine learning specialists by 2027. In addition, jobs like digital transformation and big data specialists could see a 30 to 35% rise in demand, while information security analysts might experience a 31% increase. This could add 2.6 million new jobs in total. So while some jobs may disappear, the real task is reskilling to seize these emerging opportunities. Curious? Stay tuned to learn how you can prepare for this new wave of roles. The key is figuring out how to transition into these new roles. Are you ready to learn the skills that will allow you to survive and thrive in this AI-driven world? Watch the video on the screen. Here's the surprising part. AI isn't just impacting factory jobs, but opening new doors. By 2025, industries like AI maintenance and ethics are expected to create millions of jobs. It's like a ship sinking. You can either panic or figure out how to swim to the lifeboat. But the real question is, are you willing to learn new skills to make that leap? So, what's the moral of the story? AI is more than just a disruptor, it's a revolution. Yes, it will take jobs, but it will also create opportunities. Your survival in this new world depends on your adaptability and your willingness to learn new skills. Skills that AI can't replace, like creativity and leadership. The future isn't about competing with machines, it's about working alongside them. Now the choice is yours. Will you resist change and sink with the ship, or will you embrace the future and thrive? Drop your questions in the comments below, and let's continue this conversation. Ever felt frustrated talking to a bot? What if I told you that soon, you might not have a choice? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video. It promises to reveal how AI is making human customer service obsolete. And until next time, stay safe and stay ahead.